Just delicious.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Kami ang Greek Filipino family. So for today's video is mamaya pag uwi ng mga anak ko galing sa eskwelahan is gagawan ko sila ng Bisaya na mamun. Ang tawag namin ay torta. So pinaka-paborito yan ng nanay ko at paborito ko rin yan. Isa rin yan sa pinaka-paborito ko na cake o mamon. So, ayan ang Bisaya na mamon. Torta ang tawag namin. Sobrang sarap niyan. So, first time kong gagawa ng mga anak ko niyan. So, sana magustuhan nila. So, yan yung snack nila mamaya pagka-uwi nila galing sa eskwelahan. Nandun na kasi sa school yung mga anak ko. Kasi ano na dito, 9 o'clock na ng umaga. So, kanina, hinatid na sila ng asawa ko. At saka mamaya sa aming hapunan ay magluluto din ako ng bihon na lalagyan ko ng sardinas at magluluto din ako ng binagoongang karning baboy. So, ayun. So, hope you like this video and enjoy watching. Magluluto na naman ako ngayon ng snacks ng mga anak ko pag uwi nila galing sa eskwelahan. So, andun sa eskwelahan. So, ngayon is magluluto ako ng Bisaya na muffins or Bisaya cake. Ang tawag namin dito ay torta. So, yung torta ay pinaka-paborito yan ng nanay ko. Yan ang lagi niyang binibili sa bakery doon sa amin ng probinsya. At saka, masarap. Gustong-gusto ko rin yung torta. Pero hindi ko paborito kasi yung paborito ko is yung ubi cake. Pero masarap din siya. At ayan, ito na yung mixture para sa paggawa ng tortang Bisaya. Yung Bisaya cake or Bisaya mamon. At ayan, na-mix ko na ang wet ingredients at saka dry ingredients. So, ayan, nilagay ko na sa mamon molding at saka yung iba naman is nilagay ko sa cake molding kasi apat lang yung hulmahan ko ng tawag dito. Yung pang mamon, yung pang torta ba, apat lang. Kaya nilagay ko na lang yung iba sa cake molding. Tapos, i-bake ko to ng 20 minutes sa 180 degrees Celsius sa oven. After 20 minutes, so check ko na to kung luto na ba. O, ayan. Luto na. So, ayan na yung luto na ang tortang Bisaya. Ayan. So, first time ko palang mag-bake ng tortang Bisaya. So, papatikim ko to sa mga anak ko. So, sana nakuha ko yung perfect na pagkaluto nito. Ginaya ko lang din ito sa YouTube. Yung malaki, ayan. So, ayan. Excited na ako na ipatikim to sa mga anak ko. Ayan, yung tortang Bisaya. Ayan. So, Bisaya muffins. Nilagyan ko na ito ng butter at asukal sa topping. So, ayan. Ready to eat na. Sunduin ko na ang mga anak ko kasi alas 3 na dito ng hapon. So, saktong-sakto. Pagdating ko doon sa eskwelahan is 3:15 na. So, 3:15 kasi sila lalabas sa eskwelahan. So, papuntan ako doon para sunduin mga anak ko. Ayan, maganda ang panahon, walang ulan. Buti na lang walang ulan kasi minsan kahit summer dito, umuulan pa din. So, buti na lang clear sky ngayon. Do you enjoy your school?
Yes.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Are you hot? Are you tired? Take a look. Are you tired? No. Kasi. Did you enjoy the Merry Web?
It's okay.
It's okay. So are you excited to go to high school? Yes.
Mommy, No, Mommy wants to tea Yeah.
No, it's alright.
Mommy, it looks so good.
Uh-huh.
It's so fluffy.
Go eat your torta.
Look how
Wait,
fluffy
it's
this
flower
is.
shaped.
It's like a mamon, but it's a Bisaya version.
It's flower shaped.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
It's a stud shape.
Nice. Do you like it?
Mommy, it's a stud shape.
Yes.
I only want.
Try and eat it.
Okay. Let's see. Mmm. Fluffy.
Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
How much did you make?
I make 4 of this and there's a
Wow.
big one there, like the cake thing.
Are we allowed to have some for breakfast?
My favorite is.
Yeah. Do you like it? Yummy. Alexa, quiet.
What's your
Alexa, stop.
favorite, Mommy? What's your favorite dessert?
All of the Filipino dessert.
Mommy, my favorite dessert is
Did you use it for something else?
The egg white is in the fridge. Ayan na yung ano.
my favorite
Overcook.
dessert is egg cream.
Do you like it?
Yes, my favorite dessert
Mm.
chewy
Fluffy.
chocolate cookie.
Nice and
That's a Korean one. Is it Korean?
nice and spongy.
My favorite is a chewy chocolate cookie. I love it.
Do you like the torta?
Yeah, I like the kettle pasta.
Thank you.
I rated 100 out of 10.
Oh wow. That's even more better. Thank you.
You're welcome. I rate the Korean one 9 out. 10 out. 9 out of 10. Mommy,
Si Pilya naligo pa.
I got a house
Pinagpawisan.
point.
Sobrang init kasi.
Mommy, I got a house point.
Oh wow. Good girl.
Because I cleaned the
No.
I cleaned the floor.
Very good. Just eat it and drink the milk. Don't dip it in the milk.
Wow.
I said don't dip it in the milk.
This is
Ang sarap ng pagkagawa ko sa torta.
This is one of the most fluffiest cakes ever.
Mhm.
Mm.
Ano, lasang-lasa ko yung ano, yung lagi naming binibili sa bakery nung bata pa ako. Paborito kasi ito ng nanay ko. So,
Yes,
so far na nagawa ko perfectly yung paggaya ko sa YouTube nitong torta, Bisaya cake, Bisaya
This is a
muffins.
Korean cake. Filipino.
Yummy Filipino cake, Bisaya cake. Yes.
Which one is a hard cake?
Huh?
Filipino food beats everything.
Which one is a hard cake?
British cake.
Sure that. Okay. And brownies. Brownies is a hard cake.
It's not cake.
Still.
Victoria sponge.
No, Victoria sponge is not hard. It's very spongy and soft. You know, the one you buy from the supermarket, the one in the box, this chocolate. When you slice it, it's like a bread. You know what I mean? The one from the supermarket, like Sainsbury and Tesco. The one inside the box.
How about Morrison's cake?
Yeah, all the supermarket. When you go to the bread section, and you can see the cake in the box.
Mommy.
When you slice it, it's like a bread. It's a
I
hard
got
cake.
towel.
It's because they have been in the shop for like a long time.
Mommy, I go towel at school trip. I go towel.
Wow.
Yeah, and I'm going to go to the cinema soon. I really hope I watch Toy Story 5 because they had to vote. I voted for Toy Story 5. We had to put it inside this box.
Which movie is the
I
winner?
don't know. We don't know which one wins, but I really.
So what can you say about the torta?
It has a perfect sweet balance, soft, fluffy, and it's just delicious.
Thank you. Luluto ako ng pansit bihon na ang sahog ay sardinas. So, pang probinsyang pagkain. So, ang ulam sa probinsya na kapag walang karne is sardinas ang isasahog. Tapos, magluluto din ako ng binagoongan na baboy. At syempre, lalagyan ko ng gulay.
Yan na yung bihon. Oh, ito. Golden bihon. Super cute. Made in the Philippines.
This
Tapos,
one.
ayan yung sardinas.
No, that one is this one.
Yan, product of the
This
Philippines.
one. This
Ayan na yung karning baboy. At ito na rin yung aking bagoong alamang. Siyempre, lalagyan ko ng sili. So, ayan. Start cooking na ako ngayon.
At ito na, luto na ang bihon with sardinas na sahog. At ito na rin yung binagoongang karning baboy na may gulay pero hindi pa siya luto. At ayan, ready na ang aming pagkain, ang aming hapunan. So, ilalagay ko na to sa lamesa at kakain na kami lahat sa aming hapunan. At ayan na yung binagoongang baboy. Yan na yung pansit bihon na sardinas ang sahog. Binagoongan na baboy, na kaning baboy, tsaka nilagyan ko ng zucchini. At syempre yung kanin at yung asawa ko gumawa din ng onion tomato salad. Tapos nilagyan din niya ng bell peppers. Ayan, kakain na kami.
That's Kathy's favorite one.
Yung asawa ko pinakauna niyang kinuha is yung binagoongan. Pero yung gulay lang yung kinukuha niya. Ayaw doon niya kumain ng karne. Siguro kakain siya ng karne baka kunti lang. Pero ayan, kita niyo naman, gulay lang yung kinuha niya. Yung zucchini lang.
I'm gonna make sushi.
Tsaka yung bihon din, ayan, kakain siya ng bihon. So siya pala nag-request niya na hindi karni ang isasahog sa bihon kasi sabi niya ayaw doon niyang magkarni for 1 week. So, ewan ko ba. Siguro gusto niya maging healthy lifestyle. So, baka kakain din niya ng karni mamaya, hindi yan makatiis. So, tingnan lang natin.
Jackie.
Come on, Jackie, time to
Okay,
eat.
my classmate could also like Spider-Man.
Do you like Spider-Man?
No,
Why?
because
Jackie, stop saying your classmate's name in videos. You know, they might keep them in private to others.
But yeah, she doesn't say the surname. It's just the name. There's a lot of the same name. There's a lot of Cassie. There's a lot of Jackie.
I know.
Doesn't matter.
But still.
my classmate.
Where's your phone?
Who Arthur Kirkland?
You want to on my phone one time?
Hmm?
What's the matter, Jackie?
Jackie, it's like something else is red.
Wow, sorry.
Mommy,
Hmm.
is Happy Spinner Hotel off, okay?
No, it's not. It's 18.
Don't know.
No, it's not. It's
Mhm.
not for kids.
Yeah.
Mummy, Aspen Hotel is not good for kids. I'm never watching it.
When I am a teenager, I don't have. If I am a teenager, I will love Aspen Hotel. If I am a teenager, I was backyard before.
No. What is that?
That's a. They say
When you
the
touch it?
cycle goes. The inside a backyard is a pink. The happy monster.
Might be hot.
Eh kasi don't use your hand. It's bihon. Ay, no tigil.
But it's rice noodles.
We don't use hand in the noodles, only in the rice and some dry foods. Like rice with fish. Wait! Hindi yun, no tigil yun. Sabing sili kasi.
Go right side. Go to Cassie's food. Freya's taking 1 hour.
Maraming salamat sa always na panunood at sa always na pagsuporta nyo sa aming mga video. At sana patuloy nyo pa rin kaming susuportahan. Say maraming
Salamat.
maraming salamat. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.